Next stop, Wellington Drive.
There's some really neat houses in there. There's one right down by the river. I would be afraid to live in there. I think it was going to flood. Yeah, seriously. Surrey's an absolutely beautiful place. The thing is that there's so much land that's empty. I mean, it has always been empty. Like, it's nature, you know? Because the place is just so massive that there's big chunks of it. And, yeah. I don't know if it's pristine or not, but I think it looks totally natural to me. It's probably been long. But, yeah. And this is like the third or fourth time in a row that I've gone out of pretty neat places. Not really neat places. In Langley, there's a sort of marsh park right beside downtown Langley, down by the food street. The main drag. Langley's got a really cool food street. Really, really cool food street. It's just, I don't know. There's something different about it. Like, there's so much of, like, gastronomical aesthetic, you know. The style that restaurants always want to. There you go. Always want to give you the feeling that you're someplace so cool, right? And yeah, it just gets a bit tedious when it feels like it's all the same designers. And you can't, you know, it's really expensive, but it's not really that cool. I would rate the aesthetic, the modern aesthetic, pretty highly. Honestly, I think there's a lot of good designers around, but you know, sometimes it's starting to feel a little standard. It's probably the more, like, if it's, yeah, the more expensive it is, I bet the more kind of standard it feels. Like, there's a lot of places I've seen like that. They're really expensive and they're corny. Like, they don't work. Anyway, yeah, that was cool, man. That was really good.